Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone quickly and easily. So first, let's clear website data in Safari. For that, open the Settings app on your device, then tap on the Search tab and search for Safari. Now, tap on Safari from the results to open its settings. Then, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on Advanced. Next, select website data at the top of your screen and then tap on remove all website data at the bottom of your screen. This will delete every stored cookie, script and cache file including any harmful data that may have triggered pop-ups or unwanted redirections. After that, it's time to check and delete suspicious downloads. For that, go to your app library and then open the Files app. After that, tap on Browse and then select On My iPhone. Now, look through the files and check if there's anything you don't recognize. To be safe, tap on the three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen and then choose Select. Then tap on Select All and now deselect the default folders and tap on the trash icon to delete the rest. This clears out any hidden or suspicious files that might have been downloaded unknowingly from a website or app. And finally, update your iOS to the latest version. For that, go back to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You can also turn on automatic updates. These updates often include Apple's latest security and malware protections. And that's all. You've successfully scanned, cleaned and protected your iPhone from hidden viruses. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.